Students can create practice tests for themselves in order to prepare for graded assessments or for additional practice. Up at the top, students can name their test, specify how many questions they would like, and even set a time limit for themselves if they really want to mimic that in-class setting. They can select which chapters they would like to include, as well as which lessons. As soon as they're ready, they can scroll to the bottom of the screen, click Start, and right away they'll be taken to a practice test. On the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see that students can jump from question to question, just like a traditional paper and pencil test would allow them to. To enter their answers, students can use their keyboards in front of them, or for any symbols that are not available on a traditional keyboard, they can use this keypad. You'll notice any questions that are answered are now marked as answered, and students can even select Hide Answered to view only the remaining unanswered questions. Once complete, students can turn in their test at the top left-hand side of the screen. The software will warn the students if they haven't completed all of the questions. Once they choose to turn it in, they'll be taken to the results page. The results page gives each student a lesson-by-lesson breakdown of how they performed on the test. These results tell students how many questions they got correct, incorrect, as well as partially correct if they only got half of the steps of the problem correct, or if anything was unsimplified. For example, if the student entered 4/8 instead of 1/2. Students can also click Review, which will take them back into the test they just took, to view all of the questions they received. For any missed questions, students can use our Explain Error feature to show specifically what they did wrong, or view the complete, worked out solution. These results show students their strengths and weaknesses to help prioritize study time, providing each student with a personalized study plan.